how to put a song on repeat on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can put a song on repeat on Spotify. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to put a song on repeat on Spotify, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up Spotify and head over and play the song that you wish to. Then you want to open up this song. So once you open up the song page, you should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. Here you can see at the right hand side, towards the right hand side, you'll find basically this icon. You can see it'll just be a circled arrow. So it'll be circled arrow. If you tap on it once, it'll show up the dot. But if you tap on it once again, then it'll show one, the dot and the one, which means this song will be played on repeat. So if I take this song to the end and if I play it, then it'll again play it and repeat, as you can see here. So this is how you can put a song on repeat on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.